Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting haul for you. This is everything I bought from Black Friday at ASOS. They were having a great sale on top of their sale. Like, who does that? If this is your first time seeing my face though, my name is Jay Goldfinger. I do hauls, vlogs. I live in New York City and I explore the city a lot. I go to events, so subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more haul content, let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get into it. ASOS men's haul. I want to preface this video by saying I have a specific look when I shop at ASOS. I like their grungier, more cyberpunk style. So everything I bought is mostly from Collusion and ASOS Design. Let's get into it. I'll be trying everything on as I pull. There'll be inserted clips. Let's get into the first item. The first item, I actually got an Instagram ad for this shirt. Is it a tank top? Is it a shirt? It's a tank top with the hoodie. Almost got some nails out. So the first item, this is everything. This I saw in an ad, an Instagram ad, and I said, I need this. I don't care how much it is. I love an olive green, and it has like this scrunchy part. It's a cool design. It has a hoodie, a hood. It's sleeveless. It's like a muscle tank. Then it has these like drapey things. I don't know, it gives futuristic. It feels like you could stretch it out. I really like this. That's the first item that I pulled from the bag. And again, this is from Collusion. Some of the stuff was already sold out, so I had to like purchase different sizes that weren't normally me. So you're gonna see throughout the video that I get a large, a small, an extra small, maybe a medium, but for most part, I like my stuff a little larger. And what I found from purchasing from ASOS, everything fits a little snuggier. Snuggier? A little snug. I think the UK people are skinnier than us Americans. I don't know. But I think I found that when I went to Europe last summer, and everything just fits different. But yep, I got this in a size large. This is the Collusion. It says made in Turkey. Khaki color with the hood, sleeveless, to die for. And I apologize in advance if my cats come running in here. They love playing with string. Yep, look. What did I just say? What did I just say? That's Hazel. Hazel! Alright, let's throw this on. I literally just said that this going to be. Alright, let's try not to mess up my hair. Alright, this is a size large. It has these drapey things, which is it giving Charlie XCX? I love this. I absolutely love this. I love a good hood. Oh my god. I'm so happy I bought this. I'll give you prices somewhere on the screen. Alright, next item. Alright, the next item. I wanted to come out with the last item, so we'll get moving on to it. Another Collusion piece. This is in a size large, and this is this like, I don't know, like a spaghetti strap, but this is men's. I've never had anything like this. I've never seen anything like this in the American stores, so I was sold. Like, I had to have it. Size large. Made in Turkey. This 2000 Y2K design. I've been really into Y2K. I spent most of Halloween, like the Halloween season, binge watching 90s thriller movies, like Thriller, Halloween movies, and then I went down a rabbit hole, and then I ended up thrifting a bunch of stuff from the 90s and early 2000s. So to find stuff current that's brand new, I had to buy it. They had a bunch of stuff. You just put in the search Y2K or 90s design and things will pop up for you. if you're looking for something brand new, if you're not into thrifting. I, on the other hand, I love thrifting, but sometimes it's a bit pricier when you have to pay for shipping. And going in store, I haven't done that yet. Maybe that'll be like a future vlog I'll do in the future. So yeah, let's put this aside. Alright. Size large. I don't know how I feel about this. Actually, these used to make look big. I don't know if this is flattering for me. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I could return it, but it's different. I mean, I like having different items in my closet. It might not pair well like this. Maybe a jacket. Let me try it on with the denim jacket. Oh, you see, that's already much better. Sometimes you just need to style things. Don't let things wear you. You wear them. Like, is that how does that make sense? Like, when you're wearing clothes, you have to bring out your own personality. And I think this saved the shirt for me. Next item. Let's move on to the third item. Alright, the next item is a sweater vest. Sweater tank top. This was just cool. This is also in a size large, which I think I did the right choice. I'm usually a medium in things, but it looks pretty snug. And I just like this. Collusion. This one says made in China though. Got large. It's just like ripple effect. Ripple ribbed effect look to this. It looked good on the model. I don't know if it'll look good on me, regardless of it. I don't think I can return any of this stuff. I'm not sure. I might be able to. But I love this. I love the color gray. Millennial gray has a soft spot in my heart. Alright. Oh, this is cool. Alright. And I want to preface this, my weight fluctuates, so it might look a little tighter now, but by spring and summer, I'll be snatched again. This is the winter lovin'. Alright. Moving on to the next item. Okay. Another shirt from Collusion. And I saw this also as an ad, and I didn't push the button when I had to. So this was sold out, but they only had one left, and I'm like, I'm gonna add it to cart. I really like the design of this. It's giving Y2K. This is from Collusion. It's a long sleeve mesh shirt, and this is in a size small. I might be pushing the limits here, but maybe it'll motivate me to lose a little bit more weight. Here it is. It looks like it would fit. Again, like I said, I will lose some weight. This shirt is too cool. I mean, it fits. I didn't expect it to look like this on the shoulders. It fits. It's mesh. It's pretty cool. I like the design. I don't know. I like it. It's a little tight. I will probably wear this out and not eat. Just kidding. I'm always eating. That's why I'm like this. Of course. Like it. Love it. Keeping it small. Wish I had the opportunity to get a large, but when I like something a lot and I know I might lose my chance to get it, I'm gonna buy whatever size it is and I'm gonna fit it. And I know with mesh, it stretches. I like this, giving me like cyberpunk. I feel like a game character. I really like this shirt. Alright, let's move on to the next item. Another Collusion shirt. Alright, this Collusion shirt is in a size large, and it's giving. I saw Tinashe wear something like this on tour. I like it a lot. I'm a sucker for green. It has like this tie-dye effect. I don't know what this effect is called, but it looks like a paint splatter. It's also mesh. It's gonna look nice with the leather jacket. I could pair this off. Most of the stuff is summer leaning or like warmer weather leaning, but it's okay. It's okay. I will wear this. I'm wearing a tank top right now, and it's, what, 53 degrees outside in New York City? Oh, I love it. It's not that mesh. Like, you can't see through it that easily. I feel like I'm wearing an art piece wearing this. It's very breathable. It feels very soft in the skin. Not itchy whatsoever. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Another sleeveless shirt. As you can tell, I love showing off my biceps. So that's why I keep buying them. Like, I work hard in the gym, so I want my body to be shown. And yeah, this one is actually ASOS Design. And I got it in a size large. This actually looks like a large. This looks like a large. I don't know if it's coming off on camera right, but it's like a, it's black with gray. It's gray, but it has like this material. It's V-neck. I love a good V-neck. Again, like I was saying, like I love 90s V-neck. The 90s loved a good V-neck sweater. The men in the 90s. Ooh, okay, I think I have 2 items left. These are a little, you know, extra, but I'll explain why I bought them. I got this pair of pants, and they're like metallic or silver, metallic silver. All right, I've always wanted pants like this since I saw that episode of Lizzie McGuire in the Winter Wonderland where she meets Aaron Carter and he's wearing these pants with a puffer and a red, and it's giving Christmas. But also, Katy Perry dropped her new album this year, and I am going to see her in concert. And isn't this giving 143? Like the vibe of her album? I had to buy these. I love these. They also like remind me of Britney Spears' backup dancers. I'll insert a picture here. I'll insert pictures of everything I'm talking about so I don't look completely crazy. But these pants are amazing. Let's move on to the next item. And the next item is actually the last item. The last item I purchased is this jean jacket, this motor jacket, jean motor jacket. I love a racer motor jacket. I love it. I have two leather jackets in this design. And again, this would be for the 143 Katy Perry World Tour in New York City. Look at that. I love this. Everything was really affordable. Everything was on sale. I think I spent less than $200. Correct. I'll check my receipts and let you know. Let's try everything on, or I think I already tried everything on for you, but let's move into it. Throw on another tank top. Well, the muscle tank. A ribbed muscle V-neck tank from ASOS Design to pair with this. The V-neck. Oh, it feels really soft. Fits right. This is a large and it feels like a large. So this is true to size because it still has room and I'm medium. So let's put on the jacket and we're done. All right, we made it to the end of the video. Alright, this looks cool. I wouldn't wear it like this. I'd wear them separately, but I'm not going to take the pants off and the shirt off because it's the end of the video. So, thank you for watching. Let's go to the outro. Thank you for watching my video. This is the end of my haul. Please make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know what you liked better, or let me know what piece you liked in my comments, or if you've purchased from Collusion, from ASOS Design before. What would you recommend me purchase next? Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till next time, bye!